Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss periodic test of CARMEL Convent School. So let's start with question number 1. If x is equal to k square and y is equal to k is solution of equation this, find values of k. So if these are the solution of this equation, then they must satisfy it. So if I put x is equal to k square and y is equal to k, then this quantity is 0. So in order to find values of k, can you factorize this equation? What are the factors of these equations? K minus 2 and k minus 3. This is equal to 0. So if the product of these two things is 0, then either this is 0 or this is 0. If this is 0, then k is equal to 2, and if this is 0, then k is equal to 3. So the values of k are 2 and 3, that is option A. Question number 2. Find remainder when this polynomial is divided by x. So in order to find remainder, we have studied remainder theorem. What does it say? That if a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of x. Right? So p of x is given to be this. It is divided by x, means x minus 0. So a here is 0. So the remainder is p of 0. So x की value 0 put कर देते हैं. What do we get? 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 3. So p of 0 is minus 3. Remainder is minus 3. That is option B. Question number 3. In triangle ABC, angle C, this angle is equal to angle A. This angle. BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Then find length AB. Since angle A and angle C are equal, so sides opposite to these angles must be equal. So BC is equal to AB. So if BC is 6, AB is also 6. So length of AB is 6 centimeters. That is option B. Question number 4. In the given figure, angle APQ is 2x plus 40 degree. Angle PQD is x plus 90 degree. AB is parallel to CD and T is transverse. Then find the value of x. APQ means this angle is given to be 2x plus 40 degree. And angle PQD means this angle is given to be x plus 90 degree. AB is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, then these are alternate angles. So these must be equal. Therefore, 2x plus 40 is equal to x plus 90. So यहाँ से x क्या आ गया? X comes out to be 90 minus 40, that is 50. So our answer is option C. Question number 5. Factorization of 64 n cube minus 343 n cube is. So if we observe carefully, this is actually 4n whole cube. Right? And this is 7n whole cube. So we know this identity that a cube minus b cube. This is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So let's apply this. What do we get? 4n minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 6. The graph of linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 cuts y axis at the point. अब कोई भी ग्राफ है, if it cuts y-axis, then its x-coordinate is 0, right? So option is either B or D. In order to find y-coordinate, let's put x-coordinate as 0. So if x-coordinate is 0, then y-coordinate is, then y is equal to 2. So the coordinates become 0, 2. So option D is correct. Question number 7. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Means these two lines are parallel lines. Then value of x is. अब अगर ध्यान से देखें x ट्राइंगल CDE में आ रहा है, right? And we know this angle is 30 degree in this triangle. And if you observe carefully, this is the exterior angle of the triangle, right? So अगर हमें ये वाला एंगल पता चल जाए, then we can easily find x. क्या ये वाला एंगल हमें पता है? Obviously, since these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal, so these are alternate angles. So if this is 75 degree, this angle is also 75 degree. Now can you find x? Of course, x is 75 minus 30. So x turns out to be 45 degree. Obviously यहाँ हमने क्या यूज किया है? Exterior angle property. So the correct answer is 45 degree, that is option A. Question number 8. Which of the following is a constant polynomial? Constant polynomial means degree should be 0. So degree is 0 in this case. So correct answer is option B. Question number 9. If t plus 1 upon t is equal to 5, then the value of t square plus 1 upon t square is. अब इसकी हेल्प से ये एक्सप्रेशन कैसे क्रिएट हो सकता है? अगर हम स्क्वायरिंग कर दें, तो व्हाट वी डू इज स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड. दिस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5. Right? So this is a plus b का whole square. So this becomes t square plus 1 upon t square plus 2 into t into 1 upon t. This is equal to 5 square, that is 25. So p to p cancel. What do we get? T square plus 1 upon t square is equal to 25 minus 2. So t square plus 1 upon t square is 23. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 10. In the given figure, angle ABC. This angle is 5y degree. Angle BAC is x degree. Angle ACB is 3y degree, and angle DBC is 7y degree. Find value of x. x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी अगर हमारे पास y की वैल्यू आ जाए. So can we find y from this figure? Of course, 7y plus 5y. These are making a linear pair. So 7y plus 5y is equal to 180 degree. Y यहाँ से क्या आ गया? Y is equal to 180 divided by 12. That is 15. Y आ गया. So we can easily find x using exterior angle property. That exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So 7y is equal to 3y plus x. So x turns out to be 7y minus 3y, that is 4y. And y is 15, so x is 15 into 4, that is 60 degree. So the correct answer is Option D. So let's move to the subjective part. Question number 11. Prove that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Means we are given a triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. We need to prove that sum of its three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is equal to 180 degree. अब एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री, हमें पता है ऐसी चीज कहाँ आती है, लीनियर पेयर में. लीनियर पेयर जो एंगल्स बनाते हैं देयर सम इज 180 डिग्री. तब यहाँ पे कोई लीनियर पेयर तो है नहीं. So what I do is I construct a line through A which is parallel to B. So this is line T through A and it is parallel to B. So these lines are parallel. If these lines are parallel, then AB is the transversal, and if this angle is equal to X, then this angle is also X. Alternate angles. Similarly, if this angle is equal to Y, then this angle is also Y. Right. Now I got linear pair. This plus this plus this. So I name it Z. X plus Y plus Z. This is equal to 180 degree. Right? X is actually angle B. Plus Y is actually angle C. And Z is actually angle A. So we got that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. In fact, this is called angle sum property of a triangle, that sum of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Question number 12. AD is a line segment and C is its midpoint, means AP is equal to CB. D and E are points on same side of AB such that angle DAD, means this angle, is equal to angle ABE, means these two angles are equal, and angle EPA, this angle, is equal to angle DPB, means these two angles are also equal. Show that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. सो लेट्स सी, इन ट्राइंगल DAP and triangle EBP, what do we have? This angle is equal to this angle. It is given that angle DAP is equal to angle EBP, right? AP is equal to PB since P is the midpoint of AB. So AP is equal to PB. And in triangle DAP, we need one more angle, that is this, angle APD. And in EPB, we need angle EPB, that is this angle. हमें given है these two angles are equal, means so this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. But I need this angle and this angle. Right? So if I name this angle as X, if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then angle 1 plus X is equal to angle 2 plus X. है ना? और angle 1 plus X है क्या? It is nothing but angle APD. और वही तो हमें चाहिए था, angle APD is equal to angle 2 plus x, that is EPD. Right? So by angle side angle criteria, triangle BAP is congruent to triangle EB. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल हमारे पास कॉन्ग्रुएंट आ गई, DAP and EBP, right? By angle side angle criteria. So first part is done here. Second part, AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. वो तो है ही है. क्यों? Congruent parts of congruent triangle. So AD is equal to BE by CP. Question number 13. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution graphically. Firstly in one variable and then in two variables. So firstly let's solve the equation. Equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Right? So let's do the transpose. X idhar aaya, 1 udhar gaya, we get x is equal to minus 4. So this is the solution of our equation. Now we need to represent this graphically, firstly in one variable. So in order to represent this in one variable, we need a number line. So this is the number line, origin, so 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, right? So x is equal to minus 4. This is our solution. Right? Now in order to represent it in two variables, we need a linear equation in two variables. Right? So we know this can be written as x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 4. Here it is a linear equation in two variables, x and y. Now in order to represent this, we need a Cartesian plane. So let's draw Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, this is origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Alright. Now if we observe, 0 into y is always 0. So any value of y is permissible here. So if I put y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 4. If I put y is equal to 1, then also x is equal to minus 4. However, x will always be equal to minus 4. So the solution becomes, if I put y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4, then this is the solution. If I put y is equal to 1, then also x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 comma 1 or minus 4 comma minus 1. In fact, the graph is a straight line. It is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 4 units to the left of it. So this is our representation in two variables. Question number 14. Side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S if the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, prove that angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So we are given a triangle PQR. QR is extended to S and QT is the bisector of angle PQR. Means if this angle is X, this angle is also X, right? And RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Means if this angle is Y, this angle is also Y, right? We need to prove angle QTR. This angle is half of angle QPR. तो अगर QTR और QPR को पिक्चर में लाना है तो देखते हैं ये कौन सी ट्राइंगल्स में आ रहे हैं. एंगल QTR कौन सी ट्राइंगल में आ रहा है? इस ट्राइंगल में. एंड इफ वी ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल टू दिस ट्राइंगल. सो exterior angle y is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So y is equal to x plus angle QTR. तो यहाँ से angle QTR turns out to be y minus x. and हमें चाहिए angle QPR. angle QPR किस triangle में आ रहा है? इस वाली में. And this angle is exterior to this triangle. So this angle means 2y. 2y is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is 2x plus angle QPR. Right? So angle QPR turns out to be 2y minus 2x. 2 कॉमन लिया. एंड अब अगर हम ध्यान से देखें y माइनस एक्स, तो यहाँ से y माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल QPR. एंड यूजिंग दीज टू इक्वेशंस व्हाट डू वी गेट? QTR इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ QPR. So angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Hence is our proof. Question number 15. Factorize this and this. So let's start with part A. Factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. So ये कुछ आइडेंटिटी की याद दिला रहा है. कौन सी आइडेंटिटी? a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is equal to a plus b plus c का होल स्क्वायर. अब इसको इस आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म में लिखें. a स्क्वायर, इसको ध्यान से देखें तो दिस इज 2x का होल स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into ab, that is 2 into 2x into y. So 2x into y plus 2 into bc, that is y into z, plus 2 into ca, that is z into 2x. Right? So this is 4x square plus y square plus z square plus 4xy. यहाँ पे आ रहा है plus 4xy, but here we have minus 4xy. Similarly, in the next term, here we have 2yz, but here is minus 2yz. इस टर्म में ठीक है, this is 4xz and this is also 4x. तो इन दोनों टर्म्स में माइनस की गड़बड़ है. So how can we adjust the minus? मैं 2x के साथ माइनस लगा दूं. देखो अगर मैंने 2x के साथ माइनस लगाया तो ये वाली टर्म भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, पर ये तो हमें नेगेटिव नहीं चाहिए. राइट? तो क्या मैं y के साथ माइनस लगा दूं? अगर मैंने y के साथ माइनस लगाया तो ये वाली टर्म नेगेटिव हो जाएगी और ये हमें नेगेटिव ही चाहिए, तो मैं y के साथ माइनस लगा देती हूँ. अगर यहाँ पे लगाया तो यहाँ पे भी लगाना पड़ेगा. बट हेयर इट विल मेक नो डिफरेंस. क्यों? क्योंकि स्क्वायर है, इट विल बैलेंस आउट. सो दिस इज सिमिलर टू दिस. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू a plus b plus c का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 2x minus y plus z का होल स्क्वायर. So these are the factors. Now part B. 125 c cube minus 27 q cube minus 225 c square cube plus 135 c cube square. अब ये कौन सी आइडेंटिटी की याद दिला रहा है? This is similar to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? And this is equal to a minus b का whole. अब a cube and this is equal to 5c cube. So this becomes our a minus this is 3q का whole cube. So 3q का whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is 5p square, into b, that is 3q, plus 3ab square, that is 5p into 3q का whole square. Right, so this is 125p cube, this is minus 27q cube, minus this is 225p square cube and 135pq square, and this is equal to a minus b whole cube. So this is equal to 5p minus 3q का whole cube. So these are the facts. So this was the last question. Our paper is done here. I hope you enjoyed the video.